What is up, everybody? Look at what I got. So if you didn't know, if you have a Subaru, you can get one of these for free. The box is super nice. I'm not going to show you the other side because that's my address and everything, so ignore that. But it comes in this cool little bag, which is, actually like an actual bag. And they are, ta-da! It's the full-on, like, the little stickers you always see of people that have on the back of the Subarus. And, my little, the badge of ownership, da-da-da-da-da. And on the reverse, it's all just the, instructions? Yeah, whatever. Comes with a cool little, like, template. Here you go. But I saw this the other day, and I completely forgot about it because I've seen these before, and I was always like, that's kind of neat, but like, I'm not gonna pay for one because I'm that person. But so I got this for free, and you get all these cool little. I always thought too that they were one thing, and they were like, together, kind of like so, but they're not. They're 3M sticky, and then you have to put them however you want. And you can go and pick, like, I think it's 4 or 5, maybe 5, 4, whatever, things. And you get this cool little, like, ta-da, thing you can stick on your car. And, of course, obviously, if you get more than one Subaru, you can get, first, second, third, da-da-da. Mind you, I don't feel like I'm ever going to put these on my car. Because I don't feel like sticking them to it and having to deal with that. And if they fall off, then it just looks, if, like, this fell off, it'd be like, well, what the hell are these things? But this is super cool, and it's one of those random things that, like, Subaru does so well. Just like the little Subaru loves pets and all that kind of thing, and like these things. So these are just gonna like sit in this little bag and be my, hey, sweet, I got a Subaru. I like my Subaru. It'll be cool. I don't know, maybe I'll stick them in my car and they'll just be like my constant like companion thing. So thank you, Subaru, for being awesome and having fun little things like this. And, yeah. See you later. Peace.